What I've got here is a really horrible squealing dryer. My clothes dryer, you can see, is just making god-awful noise. Roller bearings are probably shot. We'll turn that off. So let's see how to get that fixed, why don't we? It's a 700 series energy saving dryer. Is that the model you have? Smart dry sensing, right? Got this looking control panel. I Googled the part number to come up with an overhaul kit. And at first I ordered this one off Amazon, and it was not exactly what I needed. The idler arm was too wide and it only had 2 rollers in it. So then I Googled and found this one, and I bought it, and it came in. And it has the exact idle arm, but it only has 4 rollers, not 6, which I do need. So because I have the other kit, I have 6 rollers, so we're going to make that work. Okay, I decided to drag this thing out of my utility room, out in the middle of the kitchen, so I can actually move around. Okay, so my parts came in for overhaul kit. I'm going to take the back off first, and we'll see where we're at. I probably have to take the whole top off and everything as well, but let's do this first. Lift up and out. Okay. I'm going to take the top off. And let's try it this way. Just inside the lip. Very quick. Okay, so this thing moves forward and comes right off. There we go. Took a little doing. And then this has just got a simple tab here you pull out and lift up. That allows us to take this bad boy out of the way. All right, and this power module here, we just remove one screw right here. And just tap that way. It's just key slots. And that's out of the way. Okay, now that we've got that off, get this out of the way. I'm going to take the rest of this off and back. We've got a screw here, one here. And off goes the lid. Okay, you can see there's the idler pulley there, so I'm going to pull it down and release the belt. Then that should be able to free up the tub. All right, I'll pull up on this. There we go, just release the belt. So in order to get this tub out of the way, we're going to need to take the whole back off. That way we can pull it all the way out and get to all the wheels. That's what we're going to do. Taking that one off. Leave that down. All right. Now you can see slots here, so I should be able to just lift up and pull it out. Let's see. I'll work this thing up and out. There we go. Pull this side out. Okay. Okay, we've got this beast all pulled apart. We're going to place these 3 rollers here, 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 and here, and then the idler pulley, which is there. Okay, this is the idler pulley. I'm going to release the screw and then swap this in place first. Okay, this is 3/8. Put that in here. Take that off. Idler pulley. Get my light here. Okay. Let's see, here's these rollers. Well, these seem pretty good. This one sounds nasty. Over here, but I'm gonna... Okay, there's that nylon thing. I want to get that off of this. Not like that, and push. There we go. Take that off, and this bearing just slides off. Now these shafts are kind of dirty, so I'm going to wipe those down before I put the new roller on. Okay, I've got me some WD-40 lithium grease. I'm going to put some of that on a cloth here and just kind of clean the spindle up. There's a nice clean surface for that bearing. With all the dust in here, I'm not sure it's good to wet lube this thing, but at least we'll get it clean. All right, let's put the new one on. Okay, here's the new wheel. It spins nicely, yep. Then we got our little nylon clip. Should be able to just work that on by hand, or not. There we go. Okay, that's one down. Now we'll do the other 5. Okay, we got these 3 on. There were only 4 in the kit that I bought, so I had 2 other ones that from another kit. So, but they're all the same diameter, so they will work. Okay, so we got all 6 of the rollers replaced. So now the fun part is we're going to reassemble. Okay, before we close this thing up, I'm going to go ahead and chop back in here. Okay, we got the drum back in. And I've got the new rollers in. The new idler pulley is on, belt's on, and we're going to button this thing up. Okay, I've got it close to in position. I haven't hooked the vent up yet. We've got it plugged in, and I'm going to turn on power, and we see if she starts here. No more squeal. It's about $20 worth of parts, and off we go. You can do it too. Thanks for watching.